Hey everybody, it's Summer with Done Naturally, and today we have a Did You Know? We are going to talk about cow's milk and older babies and toddlers. This is why I'm standing in front of my fridge. So, when a mom reaches the point where her baby is at least 1 year old, our community, our culture has the idea that we must transition to cow's milk from formula, from breastfeeding. And something I questioned many, many years back with my oldest, who's now 16. So I want to talk real basic with you. The reason it's culturally talked about is because the dairy kind of industry pushes cow milk onto us, stating that it has all these nutrients that we need. Now, we'll have you know that all of those nutrients are not only in the milk, they're also in other foods, and can be maybe more bioavailable to us in those other foods. So on a basic level, humans were never meant to be digesting cow's milk. Can we? Of course. Do I? Yes. Well, I don't, but my kids do. I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. Milk. Cereal, my kids love it. Okay, so do you need to transition your baby from breastfeeding, breast milk feeding in a bottle, to moving away from that and instead giving cow's milk in a bottle, cow's milk in a cup, cow's milk in a sippy cup? You actually don't. The human body was designed to digest breast milk, and upon weaning, be on food and water. That's all, and getting all of their nutrients from those things. This is just like every other mammal on the planet. They are born and grown on their mother's milk, and upon weaning, they then eat food and water. There is no other mammal on the entire planet that weans from its mother and then begins to drink another mammal's milk. So a goat weans from its mom, then doesn't begin taking up sheep's milk. A cow weans from his mother and then doesn't begin cat's milk. It's just not the way it's meant to be. Doesn't mean you can't have milk in your home. Give your milk to a child that's over 1. Incorporate milk and dairy into your diet if that's what you want for your family. Of course you can. You absolutely can. But it's not the main source of their diet. It doesn't have to be a certain amount of ounces per day that the baby takes. In fact, there's been lots of studies that have shown that the more dairy, milk, cow milk they ingest, because it's digested more like a food than a liquid, we digest it differently, making us more full, making us less interested in eating wholesome foods that offer many other nutrients that we need. So there is no X amount of cow milk that a baby has to take, that babies 12 months or older have to have, or else. There's no reason for cow milk to be incorporated. If you want to, totally fine. But there's not anything medical saying that upon weaning we have to move to cow's milk. Upon weaning, all they need is food and water. So I hope that helps. I think there's a lot of families that get caught in thinking they need a certain amount of ounces a day in order to be healthy. And that's really, honestly, just marketing. Is it an easy way to get protein if kids don't eat anything else? I guess, but really kids will eat whatever you offer them. You're in control. If you have something in your house, that's what's offered, and kids will not starve themselves. Will they be picky? Absolutely. Between 1 and 2, you have the pickiest eaters on the planet, and they kind of grow despite the fact that they eat like a pea in 4 days. But you are the one that supplies it. So for families out there that are struggling with introducing foods to kids and say, all my kids will eat is chicken nuggets, I say to you, I challenge you, who's buying the chicken nuggets? Don't supply those. Supply only a variety of colors and variety of foods. A great resource is Dr. Sears. And he has a wonderful book called the Family Nutrition Book. He actually has this whole idea of red light, yellow light, green light, and kids between 1 and 2 kind of noshing throughout the day, and offering healthy foods. And I'm going onto a tangent, so I'll stop. We can do that another time. But just so you know, there is absolutely no reason a baby above 1 ever needs cow milk. They will do fabulous on food and water. And if you've continued breastfeeding beyond that year, which congratulations, then yay for them. That's bonus round. They continue to get all that wonderful stuff that's inside your milk beyond that 1 year time. And truly, your breast milk is more packed and dense with every nutrient on the planet compared to any other food. It's superior to any table food, and certainly superior to cow's milk. So if you're moving into toddler nursing, way to go. If you're moving into weaning, do not feel like you have to have cow milk to supplement or provide your baby. And that's it. I hope you guys have a good day, and maybe that will spark some new action or new thoughts in your life. Okay, bye guys.